Hello everyone, I'm Carol from LowCode agency and I'm recording this video to explain and show how to install the latest version of the Sales Assistant app and how to use the tactical cards. So first you need to start downloading the update version. So we have here for Mac and Windows. I have Mac, so I will use this version. Let me start download it. Okay, then click next to install the steps for installation. So clicking the, we will unzip the file, clicking the file, then you click on the DMG, we'll open the Mac installer, then you clicking move to applications, and then will be installed. The next step is guarantee the permissions. So this is super important because you need to do these permissions before you first start the app. So you go to settings, then you need to go to, let me see, privacy and security. And here in privacy security, you will find, let's start with microphone. So you need to have the sales assistant here. We will start like that. You just need to allow here. And then for the screen, we also need this turn on so you guys can receive the tips from the tactical cards. That's it. And then you can close and start the app. So let's start the app. Great. Okay, I'm giving the permissions. Now I will enter with my test email. Hello everyone, so for the second part of our video, I will present to you how to choose the right mode to receive the AI tips during your call. So this is basically starting when you choose the right mode. So we have the transcript, which is the mode you already used to use. And then we have the AI mode. Clicking this mode, the system, the sales assistant will appear as you already use it to. Clicking play, and now the system is listening to your conversation. So, hello Tabata, how are you? Everything great. Thank you so much for the time. I would like to understand if now is a good time to have a conversation. Got it. I see. So, in that case, can we reschedule for tomorrow morning or afternoon? Okay, perfect. So, I will schedule our conversation for tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Now, as you can see, we have the tips here and the AI still listens to the conversation. I will stop and the tips will disappear and will be ready for the next conversation. Let me know if you have any questions and have a great day. Bye bye.